crash. So we got this box here. I wonder what's gonna be inside. Let's open it. What is this? This, I know this is.
What?
So this is the new fast lane track. It's pretty big.
I want that.
This is only $40. Alright. Welcome to Family Toy Review. We got something new today, Jaden. We got a fast lane Mega Loop Speedway. Yeah, and this is brand new, guys.
And it's big.
This just came out, and it's big. And you know what?
It's big.
For something big like this was only $40. If this was a Hot Wheels, this would be like $100, but this was only $40 because it's a fast lane brand, and it looks pretty nice. I've been liking the fast lane brands lately. They've got some cool sets. Cars,
I like
okay. They're not as nice as Hot Wheels, but they're still pretty good.
I still like the car.
Looks like it's got a motorized piece here that spits out the cars and they fly around the track. And let's check out the other side. It's got 20 feet of track. Or 6 meters. Alright, put some cars in. And this is the back side of the box. And it shows that there's some crash zones where the cars can crash together as they're speeding around. And there's a directional ramp to change the course. I guess you can change things really fast. So we're gonna open this up and check it out. It comes with 4 die-cast cars and a motorized launcher. If you speak French, that's a voiture mole incluses, or coches metálicos incluidos. Is that Spanish? All right. Let's open it.
Hooray!
Okay, guys, let's open it.
I did.
Here you go, Jane. You pull this open. Like this. Right. All right.
Don't forget the vehicle.
All right.
Inside the ball.
Don't forget the vehicles. Quality feels pretty good. It's alright. Whoa. It's pretty funny though. This one I guess could be considered a sport vehicle. All these look kind of like compact SUVs or station wagon hatchbacks. And I mean, these are pretty funny looking race vehicles, especially this one. I guess this one is probably the one that looks like a race car the most, almost. You would think for this Mega Loop Speedway they'd use more race car looking vehicles. Alright guys, it's time to build! Time to build! Hey Jen, I have a question. How do you think we make this? What do you think we'll need? We need to use the instructions, yeah. It even has stickers too. Oh, crash! I know this isn't a Hot Wheels brand, but I think any kid would have fun putting all of this together, right? It's gonna be lots of fun, right, Jaden? And the design is pretty good. For a cheaper toy, it's got a pretty good design. Look at this. You put batteries in here, and I like how they have holes here. Not sure if this was meant to be like this, but it makes it easy for me to hold it while I unscrew the top. So a lot of cool little things. You know, it's not just some cheapo toy. There's some design in it. And they make instructions very easy to follow. You just need to follow the numbers. This is step 1, step 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you just do things one at a time. You just find the pieces and you put them together. And look, these pieces are even labeled. This is the 2/6 piece. And they have a guide, a legend here, a map where you can look up the 2/6. And here I found the 2/6 piece. This is labeled 2, just like right here. It's labeled 2 right there for the 2/6 piece. All right.